In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link table to calendar in Notion. First, open the Notion website and sign in so you're on your workspace. We'll start by creating a single place to manage information in a table, then link it directly to a calendar view so the same data appears in both formats. This keeps everything consistent and saves you from duplicating work. Click New Page to create a fresh page. Give it a clear title so you'll recognize it later. In the body of the page, choose to create a table. This will be your main database. Notion sets up a few default columns, but the key thing you need is a date property. If you don't see one, add a new column, choose property type, and select date. You can rename it to something descriptive like due date or event date, so it's obvious what it represents. Now, add your rows in the table. These could be tasks, events, or entries you want to schedule. For each row, select the date in the date column. Click into the date cell, pick the day from the date picker, and, if helpful, include a time. Make sure every item that should appear on the calendar has a date filled in. If a row has no date, Notion won't know where to place it on the calendar. With your table set up and dates assigned, it's time to connect it to a calendar view. At the top of the database, click the plus icon next to the Views area and select Calendar. Name the view something helpful, like Calendar, and confirm. You'll now see a calendar that displays the same items from your table, placed on the dates you selected. This is the same database, just shown in a different way. From here, you can switch back and forth between the table and the calendar as needed. Any change you make in one view updates instantly in the other because they're two views of the same data. If something doesn't show on the calendar, double-check that the date column is set to the date property type and that the row has a valid date. Also, ensure you're looking at the correct month or week if you're expecting to see something specific. That's all you need to link a table to a calendar in Notion. Open Notion, create your table, add a date column, select a date for each row, then click the plus icon and choose Calendar. It's simple, powerful, and keeps your planning clean and centralized.